Yeah, my family, yeah, my friends, yeah, my fans. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I'll tell you how to make the perfect rice and peas. First, you go pre-soak the peas overnight with some water and garlic. Because I don't know the kidney being tough more while. Yeah, man, so you see this Sunday morning now, you go boil the peas, you go partially cook it. You use a fork to test how soft it is. Yeah, man, so next now. So once the peas partially cook, you can put in a pimento beans, some scallion, some thyme, some garlic. Yeah, man. And then of course you put in your coconut milk, the main ingredient. So once you put in the coconut milk, you're gonna put in the rice after. So once you put in the rice, you're gonna ensure that the water is about half an inch to half an inch, 3/4 inch somewhere there so above the rice. And then now you stir it a little so that the water can circulate in between the rice. Yeah, man, and the peas spread nicely throughout the rice. So you see now you have to put it on medium heat, on medium. So once you have it on medium, you can put piece of foil over it and then wait and cover it down and make it steam away. So see once it reach a point now the water draw down, you put it on low. Cause steam it as steam. You know boil rice, you make it steam. You know boil rice, you make it steam. So once it starts steam now and see them put the pepper on the top, you can put the pepper before. But if you don't want it burst, you can add it after and let it steam down to perfection. And rice should look similar to this. Nice, soft, shelly, and also perfect. Try it, man. It's better to add water because you can sub